Hello student, today we will start the new topic mole concept. This is also a unit which can be represented into three ways: mole in terms of quantity, mole in terms of weight and mole in terms of volume. So we will study one by one. The first heading is that mole in terms of quantity. You know that in 1 dozen equal to 12 quantity. Clear? So if I am taking 24 quantity तो उसमें कितने डजन होंगे? So whatever be the quantity, we will divide by the reference. Clear? Reference number. So whatever the quantity, we will divide by the reference number and the answer is 2D, means 2 dozen. Clear? So in case of 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is the Avogadro number. In terms of quantity, किसी भी substance का जो 1 mole है वो उसके Avogadro number के equal होता है. So that is the definition. A mole is defined as that amount of the substance which contains Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 of atom. किसी भी substance का 1 mole उसके Avogadro number के equal होता है. So in 1 mole equal to Avogadro number. So in n mole, whatever be the quantity, divide by the reference number, and reference number is the Avogadro number per mole. Clear? And the formula will be number of moles equal to the number of particle, means quantity, divide by the Avogadro number. Clear? So we can say in this way also that 1 mole of carbon atom, if I am talking about atom, clear? So it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom of carbon. If I am talking about sodium atom, then 1 mole of sodium atom equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom of Na. But if I am talking about molecule, this also will be equal to the Avogadro number. Clear, student? So the next topic is that mole in terms of weight. Clear? What is the definition? A mole is defined as that amount of the substance which has mass equal to gram atomic mass. किसी भी substance का 1 mole उसके atomic mass के equal होता है जब हम atom की बात करते हैं. And when we are talking about the molecule, then it will be equal to the molecular mass. So just take example that in 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So अगर मैं 2000 gram लूँ तो उसमें कितने kg होंगे? So whatever be the weight, divide by the reference number. Gram will cancel and the answer is 2 kg. Clear? So by the definition that 1 mole of any atom equal to the atomic mass, or 1 mole of any molecule, if I am talking about the molecule, then it will be equal to the molecular mass. So in n mole में कितने होंगे? Whatever the weight, whatever be the weight of atom or molecule, divide by the reference. Reference means atomic mass or molecular mass. So the formula will be n equal to the mass upon molecular mass. Clear? So we can say in another way also that 1 mole of oxygen atom equal to 16 ग्राम, जो कि एटॉमिक मास है किसका? ऑक्सीजन का. और अगर मैं किसी मॉलिक्यूल की बात करूं, 1 mole of CO2 molecule equal to 44 ग्राम, and 44 ग्राम is the molecular mass of CO2. Clear? So this is the formula of n equal to mass upon molar mass. It means mole in terms of weight. And the third topic is that mole in terms of volume. Clear? And there is a limitation. Limitation means this mole in terms of volume is just applicable for the gases only. Clear? This is just applicable for the gases only. So in case of gases, a mole is defined. अगर हम gases की बात करें तो हम mole को किस तरीके से define कर सकते हैं? Clear? In case of gases, a mole is defined as that amount of the gas, किसी भी गैस का अमाउंट, उसका वॉल्यूम मीन्स विच हैज अ वॉल्यूम ऑफ 22.4 लीटर्स एट एसटीपी. इसकी बात बहुत बार होगी स्टूडेंट. सो एसटीपी मीन्स स्टैंडर्ड टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. Standard temperature what is 273 Kelvin and standard pressure is 1 atm. So please remember this: standard temperature and pressure. Temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is 1 atm. So if I am taking the example that 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So 2000 ml में कितने लीटर होंगे? So whatever be the volume, divide by the reference, and the reference is 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. आपके पास जो भी वॉल्यूम है आप उसको इसके रेफरेंस से डिवाइड कर देंगे, यानी कि 1000 ml पर लीटर. ml will be cancelled and the answer is equal to 2 liter. Clear? So we can say that 1 mole of any gas, किसी भी गैस के लिए या फिर वेपर के लिए, उसके 1 मोल किसके इक्वल होंगे? 22,400 ml. at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure. Clear? Or if I am talking about in place of ml, I am talking about for liter. It means in place of 22,400 I will use 22.4. Clear? So this is for 1 mole. If I am talking about n mole, that equal to volume of any gas at STP, means whatever be the volume of any gas at STP, divide by the reference. Clear? Difference is 22,400. I have taken in ml, so here ml will be cancelled. Clear? So the answer will be in mole. So n equal to V ml. If I will take the volume in ml, so ml will be cancelled. The answer will be mole. Any volume of gases divided by the reference number. If I will take in liter, clear? So whatever be the volume in liter, divide by the reference 22.4 liter. In liter I have taken. Liter will be cancelled and the answer will be in mole. So I can say in this way also, 1 mole of O2 gas equal to 22.4 liter of oxygen at standard temperature and pressure. Or for any gas, means molecular gas like CO2, this is also O2 gas. Clear? 1 mole of, again I am repeating, 1 mole of O2 gas equal to 22.4 liter. If I am talking about for ml, then in place of 22.4 I will use 22,400 ml. Same for CO2 gas also. 1 mole of CO2 gas equal to 22.4 liter of CO2 at STP. Okay. Here I am talking about for liter. If I am talking about for ml, then in place of 22.4 liter I will use 22,400 ml. Okay student, revise again and write in your notebook also. Thank you student, this is enough for today.